Today, we're going to make a magical anti-aging and anti-pigmentation oil using natural, skin-loving ingredients you probably already have at home. This powerful blend helps brighten darker skin tones, fade pigmentation marks, and smooth out fine lines and wrinkles. It's like giving your skin a natural glow-up with every application. To start with, we'll need one of nature's most nourishing seeds, flax seeds. Take a small quantity of flax seeds and grind them thoroughly until you get a fine, smooth powder. This powder is going to be one of the active ingredients in our oil. Next, in a clean bowl, add 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Olive oil is rich in vitamins and helps deeply moisturize the skin. Now, add the same amount, 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil helps with hydration, and it's especially great for healing and soothing the skin. If you don't have olive or coconut oil, you can absolutely use other oils that suit your skin type. For example, almond oil or jojoba oil are wonderful alternatives. After that, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of the ground flaxseed powder we just prepared. Stir this in well. Next, we'll bring in another powerhouse ingredient, green tea. Open up 1 green tea bag and pour the contents into the bowl. Green tea is packed with antioxidants that help to fight free radicals and reduce visible signs of aging. To give our oil an extra boost, we'll also need some coffee. Add just 1 teaspoon of coffee powder to the mixture. Coffee not only helps with pigmentation, but also stimulates collagen production, giving your skin that firm, youthful look. Now that we've added all our ingredients, it's time to gently heat this mixture. Place the bowl in a water bath and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. This helps all the nutrients from the flax seeds, green tea, and coffee infuse into the oils. After 30 minutes, take the bowl off the heat and let the mixture cool down naturally. Once it's cool to the touch, strain the oil using a piece of clean cloth to remove the powders and get a smooth, clear extract. What you're left with is a rich, nourishing oil infused with powerful, natural ingredients. If you have dry skin, this next step is especially helpful. Add 2 vitamin E capsules to the oil. Simply puncture the capsules and squeeze the oil directly into the mixture. Vitamin E is excellent for tightening sagging skin and delaying the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It also enhances the shelf life of the oil. Give everything a good mix so that all the ingredients are well combined. And there you have it, a homemade, magical oil that targets both aging and pigmentation naturally. Store this oil in a clean glass jar. Glass containers help preserve the quality of the oil better than plastic ones. The best part? You don't need to refrigerate it. Just keep it in a cool, dry place, and it will last a long time. Now let's talk about how to apply this oil to get the best results. Apply the oil every night before bed. Nighttime is when your skin naturally heals and repairs itself, so this is the perfect time for your skin to absorb all those nutrients. Gently apply it to your face and neck, making sure to cover all areas where you see fine lines, pigmentation, or dullness. Take a few minutes to massage the oil into your skin. Use gentle, upward circular motions to help with absorption and stimulate blood circulation. Once applied, leave the oil on overnight. Let it work its magic while you sleep. In the morning, wash your face with a gentle cleanser or plain water. You'll instantly feel how soft, nourished, and smooth your skin has become. You'll likely see a noticeable difference even after the first use. Your skin will appear brighter, more even-toned, and hydrated. With consistent use, this oil will help your skin look firmer and more radiant. For the best results, try to apply this oil every night. It's a small step that makes a big difference in your skincare routine. In just 1 week of regular use, you'll start to see wrinkles and pigmentation fade visibly. You'll be amazed at the glow and beauty of your skin. It'll feel like you've just come from a luxury spa treatment, but right from the comfort of your home. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching and supporting natural skincare.